So please help me give a very warm welcome to Tanmay. And I think that you'll find microphones on the chairs or on the podium if you want to be on. Okay, yeah.
Hello, everybody. Hello, London. How are you guys doing? So, how many of us want to sell NFTs? Raise your hands. I guess, yeah, that's all of us. So, I'm going to talk about that, how to sell your NFTs, specifically like an artist, as a one-of-one artist. That's the burning question that we all have. So, to establish my credibility, I just want to say that I have been in the NFT art space for past 18 months. I host Twitter spaces regularly. So I see a lot of artists. I've spoken to collectors. I've seen thousands of artists. I'm a podcast host, so I've had one-on-one conversations with experts of the field. So here we go. This is a condensed extract of my observations. So how to sell NFTs as a one-of-one artist? So what is being sold here actually? It is not just your art, but it is a brand. You are selling your brand, and brand is an extension of your personality. Brand is what your presence in the space. Brand is what your art represents, what feelings and insights it brings forward to. So it's all those things. It's your story. So number one tip I would give for brand is keep it consistent. See, I'm wearing a PFP of mine, and like people connect with me through the PFP before they know me. So keep it consistent, keep it the same on all platforms. So people buy art what they resonate with. They like it, they buy it. Something that tingles a feeling in them, and they buy it. But there's also a lot of collectors who buy art for you as a person, for appreciating you as a person, for what you do for the community, for what you have been doing. So it's a way of thanking and appreciating them. Utility, a big word kept throwing around. If you ask me what is your utility, I'll tell you, I am the utility. So all of us artists are utilities of your art. Community is another word that's thrown around. What is community? Community is not just your followers. It's your close friends who are always engaging with you, always there for you, and you're always there for them. And how do you grow that? You got to add value. You got to be the person who is giving first. So helping them in whatever ways you can, providing insights from your experiences, and getting into meaningful conversations and connections. Where to promote yourself? You got the art, you got everything sorted, now where to promote yourself? Twitter is the number one place that you need to be. I'm sure you all are. How to increase your performance on Twitter? Spaces is a wonderful thing. That's the number one thing. I have made most of my sales through Spaces. If you want to maximize that, attend 3 to 5 spaces every day once your project is launched or once you have your NFTs in the market. You need to have a pitch, an elevator pitch when you are presenting your work. I'm going to give you some key ingredients on that. So you need to say who you are, what you're doing, and why you're doing what you're doing. Describe your artwork, describe where it is listed, what price it is at, and make sure that you end it with something that people will remember, a catchphrase, and end it with a call to action. So, for example, mine is, what is a pizza without cheese? And what is your collection without a Tanmay NFT? So get one today for yourself and for your family. That's how you do it. Have this presentations in 3 formats, one for 90 seconds, one for 3 minutes, and one for 30 minutes. You can use them as and where you go. Engage with tweets. You think you're getting tired of 10 tweets? The people who have been successful in engaging and in following this method On an average, they tweet 200 to 300 tweets a day. So that includes everything: retweeting, co-tweeting, commenting on the works. So get into meaningful comments and insights on this. So, meaningful comments and conversations leave a trace in the memory, and reply to all the notifications. As you grow, you will get a lot of notifications. Make sure you reply to all of them. Post your art videos, post your process. People love to see the background, what's happening in the background. Post your selfie video talking about a particular topic. And schedule your tweets. That's one thing that you can do. I'm in London now, but my timeline is consistently active because I've pre-scheduled tweets for the whole month in the background. So new tweets coming up and being engaged there. And Twitter is always evolving. Elon Musk has bought Twitter, so just stay aware, join spaces to know what is working and what's not. Important point is now about collectors, collector nurturing. How do you find them? Of course, you can engage and find them. But the smart way to do is finding collectors based on your art style. How do you do that? Look at the other artists who have similar kind of work. Best way to do is to go to Foundation or Super Rare, do a reverse search. Put tag in, if you're a 3D artist, put in a tag of 3D art. It'll show up all the results that have, the artworks that have been sold. From there, you go to the collector who has purchased them, see their profile, then engage with their tweets. That's reverse searching. Avoid showing your same art to the same collectors if they've already rejected it. What do I mean? Of course, visibility is an issue. But if a collector has liked that work or retweeted that or has seen it but not bought it, so it's not very smart to keep showing that again. It may not fit their art type or what they like to collect. It's very important to take care of your collectors. So it's a lifelong relationship. Once you have your collectors, you interact with them. So I have a list of collectors and their Twitter IDs and their profiles. So I engage with them. I ask them how they're doing. Show them a personalized video for festivals and other places. Meet as many, make use of in real life events like this. Here are very selected people who are coming in. Meet as many people as you can because friends are always going to be there. This is a time to network and expand your connections. How to do that? Go and ask them, how can I help for you? What can I do for you? And how are you related to NFTs? That's a great conversation starter. Leave with an impression, give a souvenir, and you can take it from there. Final and most important point that I want to highlight is consistency. Consistency is the mantra. You got to show up. What's got to be done has got to be done. Success is your own responsibility, so you got to show up. How to be consistent? Ask yourself, why did you start this in first place? Why are you doing the art? Why are you into NFTs? So for me, I find meaning in life by creating things and by bringing a smile to your face. So that's what makes me keep going. So you all are here right now. What that means is you all are consistent, you all are committed. So take a moment and pat your own back and pat the back of your neighbors because you all are committed. And I wish the best of success for you. May you rise and shine. May you have a lot of sales and much love and appreciation. If you're starting off, if there's something more I can do connect with me on Twitter. I am at Tanmay Shah 28. You can see my deeper conversations with other people on Rock Class Radio. You can join my Twitter spaces and we can discuss what is working, what is not, and I'm always here for you. Thank you so much for being here. Much love to you.
Woo.